Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert the PI symbol in Excel. Whether you are a student, teacher or office user, knowing how to insert special symbols like PI can be very helpful, especially when working with math formulas, geometry and scientific data. So let's get started. So in the first method, hold the Alt key and press the 227 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. And here it is. So if you want to know the pi value, then put the equal sign and type pi and open the bracket and close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is the pi value. So another way is that type pi space equal sign and type the pi value and hit enter. Again select the cells, go to the home and change the font size to symbol, and here it is pi symbol inserted. Another way is that put the equal sign, type char, open the bracket, type 227, close the bracket and hit enter. Oh my god, this is not working. If char 227 is not working in Excel, it's usually because of font and encoding difference, not because the formula itself is wrong. The char function returns a character based on the ANSI character set, and 227 does not map to the PI symbol in most modern fonts like Calibri or Arial. The PI symbol is a Unicode character, not a basic ANSI character. So that means char works for only ANSI character. So type Unicode character instead that and use this formula. Put the equal sign, UNICHAR, open the bracket 960, close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can see that pi symbol inserted.